Hello everyone. Today I want to discuss type 3 questions of solving of system of linear equations. Okay, it is the type 3. But before solving details, I'll read it, no problem. I'll read it. But one note I want to express. What is the note? It is required here. Note. What is the note? A transpose inverse equal to A inverse whole transpose if A is in matrix, square matrix. Okay, this is very much important. A transpose inverse that equal to same as A inverse whole transpose. How can I prove this? So first to prove this, we know, what do we know? A into A inverse is equal to I mean identity matrix. And taking transpose in both the sides, A inverse whole, A into A inverse whole transpose, that is equal to I transpose. But you know, the transpose of a product can be found by it is the transpose of individuals in reverse way. Meaning you can write A inverse whole transpose into A transpose, I transpose, it is same as I. You see now the product of these two equal to I, identity matrix. If product of any two matrix equal to identity matrix, then one is inverse of other. So I can write this equal to A inverse whole transpose equal to inverse of this, meaning A transpose whole inverse. Okay, it is very much important concept here. So A inverse transpose equal to A transpose A inverse. So this concept here we will use to solve this equation. Okay, so now come to the system of equations. Here you see the question, type 3 question. If any matrix A equal to 1, 2, 0, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 1, 1, find A inverse. Using A inverse. So first you have to find the A inverse. Question is as to using A inverse, solve the system of linear equations. What are those? X minus 2y equal to 10. 2x minus y minus z equal to 8. Minus 2y plus z equal to 7. Here we see in the row it is 1, 2, 0. But here what is the coefficients are? 1 minus 2, 0. Actually here the coefficients are written. Suppose here 1 minus 2, 0. This is written in column form here. Here 2 minus 1 minus 1. Here it is written in column form. Here x is absent, meaning coefficient of x is 0. 0 minus 2, 1. It is in 0 minus 2, 1. You see 0 minus 2, 1 is column wise. Meaning, actually the coefficient matrix here, it is not A. It is A transpose. So we have to write it is A transpose into capital X equal to B. So X equal to A transpose inverse whole into B. Okay. So before that, you find the inverse of this matrix. Okay. So inverse, you know how to find the inverse of matrix. You know it. You see. So find the cofactors. First find the determinant. What is the determinant actually? Determinant of A, you see here 1 into minus 1. Here minus 2, it is minus 3. Here minus 2 whole into this answer. Here minus 2 and here plus 0 into something 0. So here it is plus 4 minus 3 is 1. Determinant is 1. First you have to find the determinant. Then to find the adjoint, cofactors are required. You can write the cofactors are. The cofactors are what is A11, 1 plus 1 it is even, it is, no, yes 2 it is even, so it is plus. So omit this, it is minus 1, minus 2 it is minus 3, A1, 2 equal to, A1, 2 is here and it is minus 1 because the sum is odd. So you omit this, you will get minus 2. So finally it is plus 2, and what is A13? You see it is sum is even, so it is plus. This cancel, so it is plus 2. Okay. So then come to what is 8 2 1. What is 8 2 1? That equal to, here you come, and here minus, because sum is here odd, minus 1. Omit this, it is 2. So it is 2, meaning finally it is minus 2. What is 8 2 2? 8 2 2 is, here sum is even. So omit this. So it is 1. What is 8 2 3? Okay. What is 8 2 3? It is minus 1 actually. And cancel. So it is minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1, it is plus 1. Okay. Here. Minus 1. Yes. Then come to A31. A31. So here it is plus. So this cancel. So it is minus 4. Okay. And A32. It is minus 1 into. This is omitted. It is minus 2. So it is finally plus 2. The result is plus 2. What is A33? That equal to, omit this, it is minus 1 plus 4. It is 3. So these are the cofactors. Now you find the adjoint. So what is adjoint? And adjoint of A, that equals to copy it here. Minus 3, 2, 2, and here minus 2, 1. Here it is also 1. And here minus 4. Here 2, here 3. So, but what is A inverse? A inverse is the adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. But determinant of A is what? 1. So, A inverse is also same like this. A inverse. This is also A inverse. Okay, so now come to find the solution. You can find, you can write the given system of equation can be written as the given system of equations can be written as how? Here actually it is A transpose it was. Previously I have told you. A transpose into capital X equal to V. So here capital X equal to X, Y, Z and V equal to what? Here 10, 8, 7. 10, 8 and 7. Okay? So these are the things. So if these occurs, A transpose X equal to V, then X equal to A transpose whole inverse into V. But so implies X equal to A transpose inverse, we can write A inverse transpose whole into V. This is very much simple concept. What I have proved there. And we have to use. Now we have got A inverse here and we will make it a transpose, then we have to multiply with B, we will get the result. Okay, so now come to right. Implies capital X equal to A inverse transpose. Here you write this as by changing the rows into corresponding term. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 4. 2, 1, 2. Here 2, 1, 3. Like this. This is A inverse into V. V is what? 10, 8, 7. 10, 8 and it is 7. Okay, so now you multiply. You will get the result. In left hand side it is X, Y and it is Z. That equal to here multiply minus 30 plus 16 plus 14. And here minus 20 plus 8 plus 7. And then it is minus 40 plus 16 plus 21. Okay? So these are the things. So now you get here it is what? 30 minus 30 is 0. here 15 minus 20 is minus 5, and here 21 plus 60, it is 37. 37 minus 40, it is minus 3. So now you compare or equate the corresponding rows. So you will get x equal to 0, y equal to minus 5, z equal to minus 2. So this is all required solution. It is very much important. You should know, and it is technique. So 4 types of system of equations I have completed. Okay, so thank you.